Hey guys, here is something that I just want to share with you. I always get asked what I eat since I don't eat dairy and what my yogurt of choice is. So sometimes I will do coconut milk yogurt, but I really like Nancy's oat milk yogurt. I don't do a ton of oat milk due to the lectins and just my things around gastrointestinal health. But when I do want something and I do want yogurt, this is what I will use. This is Nancy's oat milk yogurt. I always get yogurt plain. You don't want to add you want to add your own sweetness to it. You want to add your own fruit. You want to stay away from yogurts that have fruit on the bottom where it's already mixed in, or those Chobanis that have like the granola or the cereal on the top and the chocolate and the this and the that. Make your own yogurt parfaits. I have tons of recipes like that in my recipe book, but right now, which is coming out soon, but right now, let's just make like a little yogurt tasty treat. How does that sound? I think it sounds fantastic. So I've already emptied the the container of this into a little plastic guy here. We're gonna ignore plastic for the moment, but I like this. It's just got oat milk. It does have faba bean protein. I like the numbers. It's 70 calories, 1.5 grams of fat, 9 carbs. 2 of those are from fiber, 0 sugars. What you will see though is, and it's also made with coconut oil, live non-dairy yogurt with certain good probiotics for your gut. However, faba bean protein, I do just want to caution anybody with gut issues, really, really pay attention and notice, sorry, this thing's on like this weird movement thing. What that is for you. Not everybody does well, and faba beans in general can be an issue. So I did just want to point that out. But Nancy's oat milk yogurt, I just emptied the container in here. I'm just going to add a little bit of pure leaf stevia. This is my sweetener of choice, or monk fruit, or allulose, ALLUOSE. All of these, I really like stevia because it comes from a plant. Monk fruit, I also like. It's a superfood. Again, some people don't like the aftertaste. That's why I like this organic sweet leaf stevia. It literally just has stevia in it and nothing else. I don't know why this thing is moving right now. What I'm going to add to the yogurt is I like to add some additional fiber. So I'm just going to do some now whole psyllium husk. I'm just going to do a tablespoon. So a little gut friendly. Everything that I put in my body has a purpose. Everything. Your body is your temple. It's going to work for you, but you have to give it the right fuel. I eat to feel energized, to age backwards, and to feel lean, strong, and toned, and to look really damn good. And that's what I continue to do. So now I'm just gonna stir that around. Another thing that you can do that's really great is you can also add some flaxseed. You want to get milled flaxseed, not the whole flaxseed. And that's a really great, also healthy fat with omega 3, 6, and 9. Omega fats that are really, really good for you, and it has a nutty flavor. I also like adding this psyllium husk because not only is it great dietary fiber to help keep your body in the detoxification and elimination process and supporting in getting those 50 to 65 grams of fiber, but it's also got a little texture to it, which adds a little something chewy. And then what I love to add my favorite is wild blueberries. Wyman is my absolute favorite. This my gem. Can we tell by the size of the bag as the size of my head? Why do I love wild blueberries? Well, they actually have a better nutritional profiling. One, they're non-GMO and organic. I like to get them frozen in batches because I use them a lot. And I like to add frozen ones. You can do fresh too, but frozen ones to my yogurt, because then it makes it like a smoothie. It makes it like a custard. And I like that, especially I live in Florida. It's a cool little tasty treat. Sometimes I'll even throw this into the freezer. So right now I'm just gonna do a 1/4 cup, which is 3 tablespoons here. I could get a 1/4 cup. And then I like to add the fat berries as well, the bigger ones. But again, the wild blueberries I like, they've got a higher antioxidant punch to them. They also are great. They're just tasty little nuggets. Higher antioxidant profile, even greater for fiber content, low sugar. All berries are low sugar, higher in fiber, less in calories, and less in sugar. So I really, really like berries. And again, I really love them for their antioxidant profile, their immunity boost, and their brain boosting. That's what we want, right? We want to boost the brain. We want to support the brain. So I just do a quarter cup of both. Quarter cup is 3 tablespoons. I always encourage everybody, when you're getting to know what works for your body, you want to educate yourself with knowing what your body needs. And we're just gonna mix this bad boy up. See? And that's your own little tasty treat. Now, a few other things that you can do to add healthy fat to this. You can get a tablespoon of nut butter. Just do plain, if you're doing peanut butter, just look on the back. It should just say peanuts. It should not be peanut, sugar, oil. You'll notice that. Organic, all natural, almond butter, sunflower butter. You can sprinkle the top with sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds. I just don't have them here at the moment. You could do some cacao nibs, some 80%, 85% or higher dark chocolate chips on top if you want that. You can also add protein powder to this and make, a yogurt protein parfait. Since this is not Greek yogurt and it's oat milk yogurt, it doesn't have protein in it. So I always like to add protein to a snack as well, a small amount of protein to my snacks. And I have protein with everything that I eat. And if I was going to make this a meal, I would add a whole scoop of protein powder and mix that up. And you could do vanilla, you could do chocolate, you could do any flavor that you want. But this is a great little snack. And if you don't want to add protein and you don't want to add fat, this is also a great snack just to have. Like I said, you can pop it in the freezer to get more of a froyo effect. If you want, you can put it in the blender, or you can just have it as is. Delicious. So good. So that is a healthy treat just for you. If you enjoyed this quick little recipe and you want more from me and more of these, then definitely check out my website, www.melissakathryn.com. The link is below. Subscribe here and stay tuned for more recipes, more information, a day in the life with me, work out with me, eat with me, get your mind right with me. Let's reprogram that mind for success in all areas. And here is to your wholeness. Come back to the truth of who you are before you ever thought you were less than or gave in to any limiting beliefs or limitations. You are unstoppable. You are limitless. And every desire in your heart is meant for you, whether it's your body, your career, the love that you want, the money that you want, all that you want. It's up to you, and you can have it now. Let me show you how.